Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the locking system of your Thermomix TM6. This procedure is essential for maintaining the integrity and safety of your device. Let's dive right into the steps. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any dust or debris. It's crucial to ensure that your workspace is tidy and free from distractions. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM6 from the power source. Safety should always be your first priority. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. There are typically 4 screws that hold the casing together. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing from the top and set it aside. You may notice some dust inside. It's a good time to clean these areas with a cloth. This not only keeps your device clean but also ensures that any internal components are functioning optimally. Now, focus on the locking mechanism. Locate the locking system and examine how it is attached. There should be a couple of screws securing it in place. Use your screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed before proceeding. As you remove the old locking system, take note of how it is positioned. This will help you when installing the new one. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you if you're unsure about any steps. Install the new locking mechanism by positioning it exactly where the old one was. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues in the future. Once the new system is in place, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the casing back over the device, ensuring that all components fit snugly. Reinsert the screws at the base, securing the casing tightly. After reassembling, it's essential to test the new locking system. Plug your Thermomix back in and perform a quick check to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our services include handling the repair while you relax, with no calls or travel necessary. Finally, if you experience any issues or need further assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for watching this tutorial on changing the locking system of your Thermomix TM6. We hope you find this information helpful and that your device serves you well for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.